this video, we are going to learn how to solve this WASSCE math question under linear equations in one variable. So guys, we're going to practice with 9 repeated questions for this video. After going through this video, you will be able to deal with problems involving linear equations in one variable for your WASSCE math. So let's get started. For the purpose of this video, guys, I'll be practicing with the scientific calculator which is allowed for WASSCE to solve these questions, these objective questions, to save time. If you want to learn how to solve linear equations in one variable manually, I have a separate video for you. So check the playlist of this WASSCE math video. You see my video on solving this kind of problems manually. Watch them and you'll be good to go for your theoretical aspects of your WASSCE math. So let's get started with this question one. Let's bring a calculator and solve this. So guys, this is the scientific calculator. The very first thing to do as usual will be to reset. So to reset, press shift button 9, follow instructions, press equals and press equals again. So we're going to make use of the equation solver to solve this problem. Alright, so we have 0.5 x, that's alpha x plus 2.6, okay, equals, press alpha and this calc button, 5x alpha and this button has to come out plus 0.35. okay, so that's what we have there. Let's solve this now. Just press shift this calc button. When you get assign s to be 0, very important. Okay, so let's press this equal to, so our x is what, 0.5, option D, the right answer. So that's it for this question. Let's solve the next question, which is question 2. So it says solve the equation. Alright, let's bring a calculator and do this. So for this question, we are going to be replacing our a with x on this calculator. So we have 4 over x. Alright, then we have plus in fraction 1 over 5s, that's 5e there, okay, equals alpha and this calc button equals 3. So that's it. Let's press shift and this calc button. When you get answer s to be 0, so press equals to solve it for you. 1.4. so let's break this down now to see the one that give us these options down to see the one give 1.4. so 3 times 1 is 1 plus this, so basically it has to be option A. Okay, 1.4 is equivalent to, let's check, this option is something else. If you are putting it in improper fraction, that will give you 4 divided 3. So this should give you 1.4. Let's verify. 1.3. okay, let's check 5. Option B is something else. 7 divided 5. 1.4 exactly. So right option is option B. Okay, so that's it for question 2. Let's go to the next question. So this one says a rectangle has length x cm and width x in bracket s minus 1 cm. If the perimeter is 16 cm, find the value of x. So for this question, let's bring a calculator and solve this. So this is the calculator. First, need to know the formula for perimeter of a rectangle, which is 2 times in bracket length plus breadth. Okay, so to solve this now, it's going to be, you're going to apply the formula to solve basically together with equation solver. So it will be 2 in bracket, we now know the length is unknown, so it's called x. Okay, 2 times in bracket length plus breadth. The breadth is something as the width. Okay, so we have the width here to be x, okay, minus 1. So this is what we have, guys. Alright, then put equality sign, equals 16. So this is the formula for calculating perimeter of a rectangle. 2 times in bracket length plus width or breadth. Okay, so that is for this question. To solve, press shift calc, assign s to be 0, press equal to, So we have it to be what, 4.5. And 4.5 is approximately, let's check this, it has to be option A. So 4 times 2 is 8 plus 1, that 9 divided 2 should give you 4.5. Put in decimal. Exactly, the right option is option A. That's it for this question. Next question will be this one. It says solve for x in the equation. So let's do a calculator and do this as well. So for this question we have in fraction 3 over 5. Alright. Then we have in bracket 2x alpha x minus 1 close the bracket equals press alpha and this calc button. Okay, in fraction 1 over 4. Alright, then we have in bracket 5x alpha and this button minus 3. So that's it, guys. That's what we have there. Let's solve this. Press shift and this calc button, assign s to be 0, press equal to. So we have the answer to be what, 3. Right option is option D. That's it for this question. Next question will be this one. So guys, before we solve this question, if you are new to this channel, ensure that you are subscribed to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. Really appreciate this. Alright, so one more thing, I have a separate channel called Casio Calculator Tutorial. I record mostly calculator trick videos for maths. So when you get that channel, you see a separate playlist where I have recorded about 100 WASSCE Maths videos solving problems on them using the calculator. If you want to learn more about solving linear equation one variables with the calculator, deeper questions, check that channel out. It will really help you. I'm going to leave a link in the description of this video below, so check the description of this video below to take you to that channel to watch those videos and reply you did. So let's solve this question. Let's bring the calculator. Okay, so it says 3/4 of a number added to 2 and a half of that number gives 13. Find the number. So this is simple logic. Let's interpret this logic now. So this means 3/4 of a number, the same thing as this in fraction 3x. Okay, 3/4 basically is 3 over 4 of a number. That's 3 over 4 times x, which is the same thing as 3 over 4. Okay, 3/4 of a number added to 2 and a half of that number. So 2 and a half is something as 2 number 1 over 2. Okay, so when you put it into improper fraction, it will give you 5 over 2. Remember, we have added, so it will be plus in fraction 5 over 2. So of that number means times x again. So when you times it by x, you still get 5x over 2. Okay, so this is the interpretation of this sentence we have here. Equal gives 13, that's equals 13 alpha and calc. So let's get the number now. To get it, press shift calc, assign s to be 0 when you get here, press equal to. So the number is what, 4, option C. That's it for this question. Alright, so the next question will be this one. It says solve this. It is also simple. Let's make a calculator. So for this question, let's impute it here. We have 2x plus 1 over 6. Alright, then we have minus a fraction 3x minus 1, okay, over 4. Then we have equals alpha and calc equals 0. So to solve this now, press shift calc, assign x to be 0 when you get here, press equal to. So the answer is what, 1, option D is the right answer. So as simple as this, guys. So let's do the next question, which is this one. It says find the value of s which satisfies the equation. This one is also very, very simple. Let's bring a calculator. So for this question, it's going to be 5 in bracket x, okay, minus 7, close the bracket. So we have equals 7 minus 2x. Alright, so that's it for this question. To solve, we shift calc, assign x to be 0, x equal to. So the answer was 6, option A. So we're making progress, guys. The next question will be this one, question 9. It says solve the equation. Okay, also very simple. Let's make a calculator. So for this question, I'm going to replace our y with x in the calculator. That's the only thing we have to do. But the same procedure, because x is a variable the calculator recognizes for this kind of questions. So we have 2y, that's 2x minus 1 over 3. Okay, we have minus 3x instead of 3y. Okay, minus 1 over 4. Alright, equals alpha calc 1. So to stop this, we shifts and calc, assign x to be 0, x equal to. So to solve it for you, minus 13. The right option is option A. So guys, if you want to learn how to solve this kind of problem manually, check the playlist of these WASSCE Maths videos. You see videos there are recorded on solving this kind of problem manually for your theoretical aspect. So also ensure you watch that video as well. Very important. So lastly, before I end this video, this question, it says find the value of x such that this or this is 0. Alright, so let's use the equation solver to solve this. Let's make a calculator. So let's impute this. We have 1 over x. Okay, alpha this. Okay, plus we have in fraction 4 over 3x. Alright, we have minus in fraction 5 over 6x. Okay, plus 1. So that's what we have there. To solve, let's put equals 0, press alpha and this calc button. So this is what you have to do, guys. Alright, so to solve this, now press shift calc. When you get to assign x to be 0, press equal to. So it will solve this for you. So we have it to be what? Minus 1.5. So minus 1.5 should be the same thing as minus 3 over 2. Let's verify. So minus 3 divided by 2. Put it in decimal. Exactly. So the right option is option C. So guys, this is basically you can do problems involving linear equations in one variables for WASSCE Maths using this calculator fast that is allowed for WASSCE Maths. So learn something interesting from this video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, once make sure that you are subscribed to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. Also like, share and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel for what I learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific question to ask regarding what I've talked about in this video, feel free to leave your question in the comment section below and I'll ensure to give you a response. Also ensure that you're part of our channel membership by clicking the join button. You will be getting premium information that will help you extend your external exams like WASSCE and other external exams will be writing. Okay, don't forget also to check my other channel, Castle Calculator Tutor channel, for detailed and deeper videos on solving linear equations on one variable using this Castle calculator. I'm going to leave the link once more in the description of this video below, so check it out and I'm glad you did. Alright, so having known this, click on the screen above and we'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to receive once you're done, press shift button 9, follow instructions, press equals and press equals again. So that's it, guys.